Hello everyone. So it's midday, Monday, May 3rd, 2010. For the past 12 hours, it's been pretty windy. Some very strong winds in the lower mainland. We're in Coquitlam here. I've just finished my run for today. I was running along this path and decided once I got home to grab the camera and come out to show you some things that I saw on the run. There's a lot of debris around, things like this on the side of the path, some fallen trees. Don't know if you can hear the wind. It's not very consistent. There'll be a few moments of stillness and then a few minutes of strong winds ripping through the trees. On my run, there weren't very many people out. Maybe scared of falling trees falling on them. But not me. No fear. No fear, Cavalier, Renegade, steer clear. Tournament wise. Offer me solutions, offer me alternatives, and I decline. Special prize if you know who sings that. So here's the first big one I noticed. Fallen tree right here. This is the Dunkirk entrance to the trails. I'm walking the Trans-Canada Trail. So there's where Dunkirk ends at Gabriola. Here comes one of the community buses. And the big fallen tree. Well, it's not that big. It's decent size. I don't run this way, but I want to come look at where the tree snapped. Alright, turn around and go back. The river's just over there. Fun river to tube on in the summer. Alright, so then a bit further on, some more fun. Windstorm fun. I hope I don't get hit while filming this. By any fallen trees, I mean. See, now it's picking up again. It's a little scary. I mean, no, it's not. No fear. No fear. There's Holly. These have been down for a long time. Nothing new there. This is new, though. No big deal there. Coming up though, this was interesting while I was running. Holly goes up and over, and Maui goes nowhere. Go Maui. Up and over. Now Rob's turn to go up and over. Excuse the turbulence as I step over. So yeah, this is new today. Huh, that stump is always there. Never really noticed that. I guess because the trail is quite wide. I mean, the trail goes all the way over here and is usually clear right through here. You usually walk straight. Not today. And then as we go a bit further on, there's one more thing to show. I think it's also supposed to rain today, but I mean, it's sunny. But the winds are going to whip the clouds around, and I'm pretty sure it is going to rain. It's supposed to rain for the next few days. Now over here, in the summertime, in the warmer weather, it's a nice swimming spot. Right down here. The water doesn't look very nice right now, but in the summer, or even not even in the summer, because lately it's been pretty clear, but after a heavy rain or a windstorm that knocks debris and whatnot into the river, it gets murky and not very appealing. But a few days of no rain and it looks very nice. And of course in the summer it's slower too, with less water. You get lots of kids in this area in the summertime. Nice relaxing dip in the river. And also when we go tubing, it slows down a lot here. I mean, there's slow stretches along the way, but here it's actually quite deep. And so we get off the tubes and we dunk ourselves. Good times. So now we turn to continue on the Trans-Canada. And, oh my god, what the heck is that? I can't go anywhere. That is the path. That is usually a clear, wide path. And there's nowhere to go. Completely blocked off. Back it up a little bit, take it all in. I passed some people here coming the other way while I was running, and they were coming up and over there. So that's where I went when I ran. Hey Maui, come on. Now we're still at the river. Go, Holly. Up and over. Oh, there's Maui. Took a shortcut. See how wide the path is here? That is how the Trans-Canada Pass on this section is when there's not a windstorm. And we'll turn around and see the blockage from this side. The other side of the river didn't have as much large debris blocking the path. I think mostly because the wind was coming from the west, and we're on the west side of the river now, and so it took the brunt of it, or is taking the brunt of it. Alrighty, so that is the result of the windstorm, which hopefully doesn't go much longer because I don't want to lose power at the house. And Holly just brushed by me, so my legs are wet now. Thanks, Holly. Hey, Holly. Good girl. Good girl. And we're done.